Do you want to learn some incredible tricks for sanding wood? This is the perfect video for you. Get ready to discover new sanding tools that will take your crafts to another level. First, you need to make a small, circular piece of wood like this. Don't worry, you won't need new materials to make these sanding tools. I've learned how to recycle even the simplest objects in my workshop. This new tool will drive you crazy. You may not yet know what I'm making, but don't worry. Follow my steps carefully. The mystery will be solved soon. It's like a turbine made of sandpaper, perfect for filing the inside of holes of different diameters. I'll show you the uses I give to my new tools, but you can discover other new uses for these tools too. Just let your imagination run wild. As you can see, new tools cannot be created with your own hands alone. You have to use other tools. Think of it as an expansive production line. The more tools you have, the more tools you can create. The sandpaper wears out with use, so it's necessary to change it periodically. That's why it's important that your new sanding tools have mechanisms that can easily change sandpaper. Many of these tricks are very useful if you are an artist and work with wood. Thanks to these new sanding tools, you'll be able to achieve unique shapes in your creations. For some tool designs, it's very important to be precise with measurements. An inch can make the difference between success and failure. Besides learning how to make amazing tools, this video is very relaxing, don't you think? I have a very fancy way of crafting. Did you enjoy this video? Then share it and don't forget to subscribe. I have more incredible crafts to show you.